Hi, it's Sarah from Papercraft Junkie, and I wanted to show you a couple of my vintage Christmas junk journal kits. I've got two this year. One I've already put together, so I'll show you that, and then this is the one that's just printed, and I wanted to show you how I printed it. These two kits are 21 pages. And the booklet part, the journal pages, I printed front and back. And the cover page, which you can tell the cover page because it's got the stitching around the edges, I printed on cardstock, where the other pages I printed on 24 pound copy paper, just so that they were a little more flexible for the bending. And then the ephemera, this one is the only one that is double-sided, just so that the inside of the journal or of the folio looks cute. And so this one, all of the ephemera I did also print on cardstock. My printer has been a little funky and isn't happy about cardstock these days, so it took me a little while, but yeah, so this is how I printed them. So what I will do first, or what I did first, was I cut off all of the edges, and then I used my bone folder and just folded down the middle there on all of the pages. And then I put them together. This one you can see, I sewed them. Where's the sewing piece? Come on, where's the middle? The middle, I just did a basic 3-hole sew. There's the spine of it, you can see. So I just have a really thick needle. You make 3 holes here, one in the middle, and then about an inch from each end. You go through the middle, leave a little bit of yarn, come up through the top, go down through the bottom, come back through the middle, tie a knot. Super simple. I'm by no way a seamstress. And then it looks like it's been sewn on the outside, just decor. And it's a little sturdier with that cardstock cover, right? Okay, so this one with the Santa cover is Vintage Christmas 2, and this one with the poinsettia cover is Vintage Christmas 1, or just Vintage Christmas. The Vintage Christmas, they come with a page of Christmas quotes. I've got some of them out just so that I could show you what they are. So as I said, the first step would be to print it all out, then to cut the white off the edges. You do have to double check with it being printed on both sides. You'll get the white off one side, but not off the other. So just double check and trim it a little bit. And then I distressed all the edges, which my favorite is the Vintage Photo from Ranger. And then I just have this little, it's getting a little, the one I have, it peels off. Like I can put a new little, I don't know, thingy on it once that one gets full and it gets dirty. Okay, so then I distressed all the edges. I also, at the beginning, will go ahead and cut out all the ephemera. So the ephemera is just all of the pieces here. I've got more words, right? Just little words and tags. This folio I put together, you can see I've already put some of the pockets into this little folio and journaling cards into here. You can, print out 26 and write 26 things about it. There's a little baby journal, a little mini journal that comes with this kit, and I absolutely love the mini journal because it has, it's a 1-page foldable, and then it comes with its own little mini ephemera to put in. I just absolutely adore the mini journal here. So cute. I put mine in my folio here. You can put it wherever you want. My little folio, and then multiple pockets, or other little pockets, journaling cards, more words, bah humbug. So pretty. And so the journaling cards have some of it looks distressed kind of along the edges, but I like to make sure that I've distressed the edges just so that the white isn't peeking through. There's also some mini postcards that are great for little journal spots and little tuck-ins places. And then these tags as well. Okay, so let's see. Did I put it? How I put this little booklet together? I don't think I have. I haven't really decorated it too much yet. I just I tea dyed some little paper doilies. I just put something little underneath that. Yeah, I haven't really decorated this one yet. It's got a little tuck spot here. I like these papers. There's another one. This one I put the double pocket side by side on that one, and then put Santa there in the top one, and put a large and a small journaling card in that pocket. I can put more. I've got more pockets here to do. So pretty. I love the poinsettias and Santa. And then a little tuck spot in the back. Good little, I did this one sideways on the back cover. You could put it on a page, you could put it on the front cover, put it wherever you want. You could put it on the very back, whatever works for you. Put little things in there, little pictures from Christmas, whatever works for you. So this is the Vintage Christmas and the Vintage Christmas 2 junk journal kits that are in my shop. Look how cute that is. At papercraftjunkie.com. All right, I hope you have a great time putting together these junk journal kits, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.